Hello everybody and welcome to our webinar Leap Ahead. At Nexustec, we understand that manual processes are critical to success of manufacturing industry.
In every production there's always a risk that you have unintended mistakes, and especially in the field of manual work.
The biggest unique selling point of TRiMiTi is that it can understand the process like a human being.
But there's a scratch on this part, so I'll place in another part. All checks good, verification is complete now. What we have next here is a packaging process. It assists the worker in picking the right part, placing it in the correct position before it's shipped out.
And the reason why we call it our flagship product is because it includes all the features and functionalities that TRiMiTi can offer to our customers.
Right away, people of course are afraid of losing their jobs. With TRiMiTi it was a little bit different, since it was never planned to replace the operator, but to support him in his daily work. With nearly no intervention, and acceptance was quite high from the beginning.
I think the collaboration with Nexustec has been amazing, and the communication throughout the proof of concept development was one of the components to make it a successful project.